Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So we make a lots of video of the upcoming Google mid-range smartphone, the Google Pixel 4a, but we do not talk about the bigger version of the 4a XL, the Google upcoming 4a XL. Cancel it. So in this video we talking about the cancel it Google Pixel 4a XL. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. Last year Google did the previously unthinkable and diluted its also premium Google Pixel brand by launching a couple of mid-rangers, the Google Pixel 3a and the Google Pixel 3a XL. It has been around a year since their launch, so we are expecting their successor any day now. Wait, no, there is going to be only one successor, the Google Pixel 4a, because the company has cancelled the upcoming Google Pixel 4a XL. If you were wondering what the Google Pixel 4a XL would have looked like had it ended up seeing the light of the day, here are some renders. As you can see on your screen, this is the Google Pixel 4a XL, and rumor says it has been cancelled by the Google. Google seems to continue living in its own parallel mobile world where basic features don't matter, and now apparently one where people who like cheap smartphone only buy small cheap phones. Otherwise, what is the point in this cancellation? We'll probably never know, but maybe Google simply wanted to avoid YouTube reviews of the Google Pixel 4a XL comparing to the smaller iPhone SE 2020. People have a tendency to make such a comparison disregarding size difference but embarrassing price detail, which are at least in part explainable through these different sizes. Anyway, the Google Pixel 4a XL is all plastic aside from the screen, of course, like the Google Pixel 4a with the fingerprint sensor on the back. The display has a hole punch cutout, as you can see on your this picture. This is the Google Pixel 4a XL picture. The punch hole cutout for the selfie camera, and overall the bezel seems decently sized for one, and also considering the price point this was supposed to hit. Interestingly, at 154.3 by 73.9 by 8.2 millimeter. While the Google Pixel 4a XL will not have been shorter and narrower than its predecessor while packing a marginally larger screen, maybe those bezel were deemed too small for Google liking. The upcoming Google Pixel 4a is now rumored to arrive in mid-July alternatively, so let's see in upcoming days. And make sure to like this video and let me know in the comment section what you think about the cancelled Google Pixel 4a XL. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.